Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode, DND mode, it's a shortcut for that, on your Xiaomi POCO F4 GT or any Xiaomi POCO F4 series. So in order to do that, we'll need to move to our settings. From here, find the sound and vibration, scroll down and get to Do Not Disturb mode. So you can already enable it here if you want. You can also enable it by scrolling down your notification bar, then scroll down again and it should be somewhere here. It might be in a different place because this menu is customizable, so that means you can have it anywhere. So right now I have it enabled. When it's glowing in blue, we can hold our finger onto it in order to locate it for ourselves and menu settings menu. So now let's go through all of the settings available right here for this Do Not Disturb mode. First one is schedule turn on time. If you enable it, you'll be able to schedule from where to start the automatic Do Not Disturb mode. So right now, if we have it enabled, our Do Not Disturb mode will open automatically at 11 PM and end at 7, and it will repeat for every day. You can change the time however you want, you can change the end time however you want, and repeat day for a specific day of the week. Next thing is when device is locked. So if you enable it, the Do Not Disturb mode will enable automatically while your phone is locked. Now, next option is notify about calls. If you press on it, you'll be able to change from whom you'll be able to reach you. So first one, from anyone, that means everybody will be able to reach you from your contact list only. So if you have a contact list, only your people that are in the contact list will be able to reach you. From start contacts only, and that's your favorite contacts only, or none, that means nobody will be able to reach you. And the last option is notified about repeated callers, and if you have selected none, then when somebody tries to call you 2 times in a span of 15 minutes, your phone will ring normally. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.